here, buddy. Carter, where's the eggies? I think I see one, Carter.
That one.
Oh, you got one. Come put it in the baggie.
That one.
You got one? Put it in the baggie. You see any more? Over here? Over here? You see any over here? Let's go look. Come on. Eggies. Where did the eggies could be? Oh, you found one? All right. Carter, what's this over here? Are there any eggies around your house? Carter, look. Is that an eggie up here? Carter, look. Up here. Is that one? I found another one. Oh, close the windows. Whoa. Carter, Carter. I think I see another one. I don't know.
Open that window. Or did he get that?
Yeah, he got one in the window. Carter, is this part of your slide? What's that white thing? Is that another eggie? Is that all of them?
Nope.